Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So here we have the first car from that lot I was asking you to vote on, and I had a few votes for this Mercury Villager car, and also this was my favorite as well, so I vote on this one as well. This is a Matchbox Superfast Cougar Villager 1976, number 74, and this is gonna be the first car I'm doing from the cars I picked for restoration. So let's get started with this one. So here we have our Cougar estate finished, and I think this looks fantastic. I like that board, brown board intake on the car, because I looked on the internet, and almost all the cars I've seen on the internet had this wooden effect board on the side. So I was thinking that I tried to do the same as well. I did polish up the windscreen a little bit, and I also painted the wheels and the base, and I've done a little bit detailing as well on this one as well, and I've got the tail board finished as well. So let's put the car together and let's see how does it look when it's finished. There will be only one screw in this one because the back holes were too small to drill, so I only gonna put one screw into this one. So here we have our Mercury estate finished. I think it looks fantastic with this brown color on the side. I've done a little bit detailing on the tail lights and on the front indicators. I've done the wheels, and I love this color. I think it suits the car perfectly. So let me know, guys, what you think of this restoration project. How did you like the car? Give me some likes. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I will appreciate that. And also leave comments down below of your thoughts about this video and my previous videos as well. And thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.